In 1 mile, turn left onto Red Hill Church Road.
What's going on, guys? Back at it again with the gang. And I'm slowly but surely converting all my Honda friends to LS guys. I know I do a lot of Honda shit myself. Sometimes I can't get away with it. Get away from it because it's my calling at most times, but I'm about to cut the shit, really. I probably got one more build in me and then I'll be done with the Honda shit. Oh, no caps, no caps, no caps. So today, we're gonna go pick up another G35. Not for Stumpy, who should have got it, but for Jason. The one dude I never would have expected to get a damn LS car. But we did convince Stumpy to get an LS car too, because Stumpy won't let Jason be faster than him.
The biggest part out list is North Carolina Honda parts on right now. For real.
So yeah, right now we got a 45-minute drive to Raleigh from the shop to go get this car, and then we'll talk about what we plan to do with it, and
At the light, turn left onto Red Hill Church Road.
And where we're gonna go with it.
Here's the plan.
What's the plan?
It's getting an LS.
So that's it.
That's the plan.
We're not putting a VQ35 in it?
We're doing a
37.
we're doing a nitrous car.
High rev.
You know that.
Is it a Brembo car?
They call it they call him Nitrous Jason.
You don't need those.
You don't need a normal one. You're not fast one. Parachute
What
mount.
the parachutes for? Yeah. What do you need brakes for?
These damn shitty booty ass boys keep farting in my truck.
It
smells like
EG.
it's a EFG. But here it is. Old thing's been sitting underneath this tree for God knows how long. We are definitely taking it to it. It's pretty much an exact copy of the Hippo.
Like 4 more months.
Let me get these.
Like 4 more months, is this what your car's gonna look like?
Let me get these fenders in the front bumper.
How about you? No.
Yeah, come on, I trade you.
Dude,
I got some mismatch shit.
4 more months of you not working on your car. This is what it's gonna look like.
Shut up. Yo, we'll call this bit Slime. Got a new name for it, Slime. So we're gonna put Slime on the trailer. It's got tan interior.
It kind of stinks too.
Yeah. Definitely has some water damage on the floor, but you know.
That steering column your girl bought for you?
No.
That's mine now.
No.
I don't need that.
Yeah. Interior's definitely coming out, but I mean, it's almost a free car.
Yeah. So you buy me a car? Thanks, Dad.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean,
Is this what we get free cars?
in a way, I am.
How?
Because he wants me to put spring retainers in his hatchback, and I kind of worked out a deal. So.
Oh, so then I'm not paying money for the shelter.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Oh, it comes with a strap too.
Oh, damn. Killer.
Anybody need a
Yeah, where's the
harness
radiator?
stuff?
He said the radiator support was out here somewhere. So I gotta
Oh
find
no,
it.
I'll go look behind the shed. You We'll don't go need take that a where piss you're
Yeah.
going.
But yeah, I'm about to load this turd on the trailer.
Yeah, I'm peeing a Jeep.
Stop. Huh? Yeah, it ain't got no radiator support. I think the radiator support's over there. He did say
Yeah,
it
it is
was.
over
Yeah, see? Yeah.
I'll go grab one. I'll take a piss.
So, here, all right, okay. You want me to record your pee-pee?
Yeah, you want to hold it too?
Yeah. What?
Keep going.
Yo, best $75 winch ever. Harbor Freight front wing.
Oh my god.
What? What's up? Are you recording your stomach?
No.
Guaranteed 1,000 views.
No, too many followers.
Don't be truffle shovels in a shirt 2 sizes too small. I'm just kidding.
I hate you, bro.
Yeah, that's $5.
Well, there's a dead body in the trunk.
I'm selling it on black market. Lungs are not cheap.
I think them lungs have been gone if the body's dead.
You know what?
They're probably blue and black.
You know what? Some primitive motherfucker will buy the bones for shovels or something.
Jumping. Some voodoo dude.
Yo, take the jack pole right now and hit the tail light.
No!
What?
Oh, dude, you know what I can do with these? The fucking endless hole GTR tail lights. Let's go.
I want a G35.
I
want to be cool.
Let me tell you about fucking.
Let me tell you about my Lord and Savior, Philip Wake. I did call him God one day.
I am God.
No, because there was this post on Facebook and said, make sure you thank God for waking you up this morning. So I thanked Phil because he woke me up that morning. Phil is definitely great. Motherfucker walks by, Glock.
Oh, God.
Getting ready.
Glock, we're leaving in like 30 minutes.
All right.
That was one time I hit you with a sock.
You know what you just did to me? If I didn't wake up first time, he'd be like, I'm just leaving his ass.
Bro.
Here you go.
So we got a name for a car since it's all green and shit. We're gonna call it Slime. Even though we clean it up. This motherfucker is the exact color of my car. I'm almost hurt right now. We're gonna have 2 silver cars and a black car. We're gonna have all three of us have silver cars.
I got silver card too.
Holy shit.
Oh, wait. Y'all ain't seen my
Silver surfers out here.
Oh.
They're calling me funny money over here. I got a roller.
Oh my God.
That's a little different.
We're gonna call it, we're gonna be damn 3/4 gang. We just need fucking, yes. We need a 4 silver car.
Silver.
Yeah, you might see my I took a video of my car since.
We're gonna get stuck.
No, we're not. I got 4-wheel drive,
I just got
dog.
weight on it.
Fam, I'm a driver. I don't get stuck.
I'll give you.
Except for when I drove the Tahoe at one time in the back and it sunk.
Yo, didn't even come with polished Johnnies.
It comes with a wheel lock too. Hopefully it's in the car. If not,
That's out of budget.
if not, I got a wheel lock removal key thing. But
We'll just get the...
this thing is more complete than you got a way better deal than I did on my car.
He did.
He did.
I give that. He did.
He got completed, like everything is on it. Like he's got a new front bumper. He's got a radiator support. He's got hey.
That's a skinny.
He's got skinnies. He's got skinnies already.
That's
He's
what
got nah. They use
they use like the
I think
GT.
No, they use GTO GTO spare tires because it looks like that. Not like that. It's like webbed and
like
shit.
webbed,
Yeah, I think it's a GTO. I don't know, but whatever. We got all loaded up.
Yeah, I got my GTR today.
Three-piece front end.
Yeah, we got Skyline. In Japan, this is Skyline. Yeah, it's a 350 GT. Yeah. Anyway, on back to the shop.
You love this shit?
Damn, killer, it's already looking like a different car. It is. What? All right, so it's now like 2 or 3 days later. We got Jason's car. Kill it with fire. We got Jason's car in the back lot right now, and I'm about to head to Charlotte to pick up Stubby's car. And so I'm not driving with my camera in my hand, even though my kids aren't with me today. I'm just gonna film this while I'm walking to the car. Also, the Integra runs. We got a new motor in there. The B20 VTEC. I'm gonna sell that piece of shit and start on something else. Yo, should be at this place by 11. It's in Kannapolis. It's about like 2 hours away from here, from the shop. So I'll check up with you guys once we make it to our destination to pick up Stumpy's new car. All right, guys. So we got the S10 back there. I'm currently back. I'm still in Charlotte right now. I'm on the way back to Irwin to drop my Suburban and trailer off and pick up the Integra. The trip took, well, getting the truck initially took a little bit longer than I thought. I thought I could get away with just ratchet strapping the lower control arm to the fender and just driving it on the trailer, but that proved to be a mistake, and it really didn't work out. So I ended up putting a new ball joint in there, which I should have did from the beginning, because that would have been the smart thing to do. But trying to be lazy, or just trying to get it on the trailer in a hurry so I can get back with a good amount of time, kind of put me to do some stupid things. So we're gonna make another video with this truck. It does run, so you know what that means. We're gonna treat this shit like meatloaf, and we're gonna try to blow it up. I don't know what we're gonna put in the motor.
Take exit 30 to merge onto I-85 north toward Greensboro.
All right. I don't know what we're gonna put in the motor, or I know we're gonna shoot it because it'll be pretty easy to shoot it. And then we'll see how long it lives. And then we'll start the swap. The new Hippo shirts are live on the website, so if you guys want one, the pre-order, so go purchase one to the description below, hit that merch link, pick up some shirts. I was gonna try to work on the G today,
Use the
but
middle 2 lanes to take exit 30 to merge onto I-85 north toward Greensboro.
I was gonna try to work on the Hippo today, but I ran out of time. So by the time I get back to Brandon's house, it'll probably be like 7:30, and it'll be dumb cold because it's 46 degrees outside right now. It was like 20 something this morning.
Use the left 2 lanes
And
to keep
it's
left.
supposed to be having like some weather come in, I guess, and either some snow, some rain, something like that. So things around here are gonna get pretty crazy. So I'm not sure the next time I'm gonna try to work on the Hippo at least one day out of this week. I do have the charge piping for the intercooler. I have an idea of where I'm gonna mount the intercooler and how I'm gonna do it. Well, like I said before, comment, like, share, subscribe, hit that merch link down below, and I'll see you guys later.